Welcome back to another Level Up. This is where Juna and I take real print-on-demand designs from real sellers and turn them into something that has a fighting chance in the market. We're not fixing colors for fun here. We're fixing clarity, hierarchy, buyer intent, the stuff that actually moves a product. If you want more real breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Thank you, Holly, for submitting your design here. It looks like it is for a young, soon-to-be mom, maybe her first kid, maybe her second kid. It's a pregnancy announcement here. So eating pizza for two.
Yeah, that's funny.
Really funny, cute. We'll set a timer.
25 minutes?
Yeah, you go with that?
Yeah, I got 25 minutes right here.
Perfect. All right. And then
You ready?
we'll go to it. Yes, sir.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Whew. It's been a little bit, huh? I'm going to look for
but this is going to be a
template.
good warm-up too, because tomorrow in my membership, you're joining me and we're going to be
That's right.
leveling up a few people's designs, which will be fun.
All right. I'm going with pizza templates on Kittle. Let's see what I can find. I bet they have like pregnancy ones too. Oh, this one's so cute. I'm picking this one too.
I got to go with pizza mascot is what I'm going to try to search.
Yeah.
Let's go with templates.
Oh man, there are some fun pizza ones on Kittle. Good job, whoever designed these.
So you only did pizza?
I just did pizza t-shirt.
Oh, pizza shirt. That's smart.
Pizza t-shirt, yeah. Sometimes it just puts everything.
Yeah, you get all the different ads. Oh man, it's got some monsters. Oh, I like this one. Kind of like old school pizza shop style.
That's right. Yeah, there's some good ones. I like the old school one. I'm just trying to get ideas, you know?
Same ideas. I think what you do too, right? We just kind of paste some stuff in here.
Yeah.
And see. Oh, there it is. Nope, that's yours. Where's mine?
Did you pick that one?
Nope. Oh, there it is.
Oh, man. Which one to choose? Oh, there's even a pizza robot. That's awesome.
Get some inspiration and throw it down here. What was it? Eating pizza for two. I need to make a pregnant pizza, though.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Pregnant pizza mascot, I think. Ooh, it's even got a pirate pizza guy. That's funny. I'm going to have to lean on AI on this one to see what it turns out. There's so many options with Kittle's AI now. It's absolutely insane. So it makes it so easy. Like it really does, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we'll stay with. I actually really like ChatGPT HD has been looking good for me, but let me see what we got here. So I want to go vector.
I'm trying to I already got one where they're eating for two, but I'm going to make one a baby and one the mom or something. Let's see if they can do that. Cool thing about AI is whatever we can imagine, it pretty much can make.
Oh, I can't spell. It's a nice mascot that is pregnant. And then what? We'll say, hey, cute pizza slice mascot that is pregnant. Oh, let's just see what happens. I'll generate. I'm pretty happy with the GPT 1.5 HD, but I think I'm also going to try. The other nice thing you can do is just pick a different one and try it.
We got time. Got lots of time. And it just makes it so fast when you have templates that are like almost there, right?
Yep.
So nice.
Okay, so Nana Banana, I'm not loving it. Okay, so it's adding the words in here. Okay, definitely going to go with this one, but I need to. She looks cute. Super easy to do here. All you got to do is have an image selected and then just go to remix image and it's going to populate. If you don't have it selected, so have nothing selected, it won't allow you to remix or type anything to prompt. So you actually have to select on it. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to say remove. Pizza Mom is it's kind of on point, but let's just try remove that.
That's true. It is what we're going for.
Yeah, I like this one with the white gloves. It's reminiscent of almost like Mickey Mouse. I'll get rid of these guys. Keep it a little bit clean. Oh, look at you. I like that. Kind of reminiscent of the hippo one we did.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Oh, I got a cool one here, but it literally just removed the text. Oh, I got to add the rest of the body. So remix. And I'm saying add the rest of her body so the AI doesn't default to just like a more generic pizza slice. It keeps it looking a little cuter with the kawaii eyes and the...
Yeah, I like it.
You know, as soon as you say like her or his, it tends to lean more into it, I think. At least sometimes for me. This is looking pretty cool. So let's just add the rest of her body. Off to a good start, though.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, it's mom and daughter? Or mom and kid?
Mom and baby. Yeah, there you go.
It's funny. It's cute with the diaper with the... Did you prompt it to do the diaper with the safety pin?
Yeah, I tried to do because they're eating for two and one's the baby. So I'm trying to think how do I make it look like a baby? So I added a diaper and stuff.
Perfect.
That turned out all right, huh?
Yeah, it looks good. This looks awesome.
Cool. All right. We're getting somewhere now.
Just asked it to make the belly more visibly pregnant because I feel like it looks good here, but we're losing it here. I actually like how fast these go when we're not stuck to.
Yeah, we can do any genre or style, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, when we can just pick any style, then we can speed these a little bit. This is fun. We live in such a cool time. Well, I'm glad we can do it now, but I'm just thinking in my career, we had this 10 years ago.
Oh, I
The
know.
kinds of things we could have came up with. But I guess everybody would have the same option too.
Yeah, but it is cool to see it all, how it's changed so much. Like even in the last like 3 years has been crazy.
It's crazy. I'm trying 2 different ideas. I love your pregnant pizza idea though. That's on point, man.
If it works, might have to refresh here. Have to go back to the beginning here. Going to remix. Let's just go with a brand new generate image here. Style. My style. Oh wait, logo type, I think. Yeah, this one.
Let me see where you I'm cheating and looking at Oh, that's so cool. Pizza mom. Yeah. So fun. Time check. Let's see. Oh, we still got 11 minutes, dude. We're speeding along.
All right, let's see what happens here. Also type here, so
Pizza. Reset. There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna remix here.
I'm trying different ideas here. So what I like to do, I like to play around with a whole bunch of different ideas. And then the nice thing about print on demand is you can post them all up if you want. You don't have to just pick one, right? You can just
And
all are good.
Also think frogs have been trending here, so I'm gonna try one with frogs eating pizza because you're not necessarily a pizza eating pizza, right?
True.
Don't love it.
Yeah, I'm not loving this too. Oh, I didn't do this. I'm gonna change this to like a vectorize. Let's see what happens if I vectorize this. You got time?
Kind of fumbling around here, but I think this is gonna do it.
Got something you're happy with?
Not yet, but I think a couple of ideas.
Yeah.
Just get some stuff out there and then I can kind of tweak. We got time.
We vectorized it. That's awesome. Oh, I need that black. Dang it. 2 black. All right.
This looks so cute.
Yeah. Oh, that is that frog. Oh, that's nice, man. Good job.
Pizza could be considered wholesome, but I don't think we're drinking pop. Well, you never know. I'll leave it. Maybe.
Yeah. The vectorizer tool is pretty good. And I've never had a problem with it, or at least I can remember. Lately I haven't. Like I just vectorized the one I'm doing and it's awesome. Now you can change the colors on it if you want to.
I didn't love how mine turned out. It's a little too detailed, I think, so that's okay. But I don't need to because it's already big enough and looks great. So now, how much time do we have?
Yeah, good question. 5 minutes still.
So now I'm going to transformation and distort just because why not? And they've got the edit transform is what I was saying before that was missing from the bar before. So thank you for adding it back.
Nice. I heard you.
So whenever you click off it and you're over here, you can just click over here and you can still edit transform. It doesn't have it here, but on this one, because I've used here, you can just do that. So I'll just click off this first and then click back on it. And then I can, oh, it's a little big.
That's it. That's what I wanted. I did a pregnant panda.
How are we doing for time? Sorry.
Oh, 3 minutes.
Okay.
Trying different things. We'll give them all of it, right? Like whatever you can try all of these. Whatever works.
Yeah, I don't need to use any of these myself. I don't really, although I think this one is pretty cute.
And let us know if you get any sales.
That would be awesome.
I'd love to help you get some sales. Let's see what this looks like on a black. Oh, dude, come on. And hopefully they have Kittle because then they can make edits on it and everything.
Yeah, it'd be great to be able to give you guys a link. So that said, I do have a coupon code that is Jay's Way OIT that you can use to get 25% off your first month or your first full year, which is a massive saving. So if you did want to use that, and I'll leave the link in the description. I'll leave that in the top comment, of course.
Perfect.
But this is, I think we're pretty,
getting close. I know it. I can feel it. I can feel the timer going to go off anytime.
Yep, that's me done here. Fun, cute.
Oh, nice. Wow. You got some cool ones, man. I did a pregnant panda. You got a pregnant frog. It's hilarious. And
you did a pregnant panda?
Yeah, but it doesn't look as pregnant as your... Oh, there we go. That's it. Time. Yeah. It's supposed to be a pregnant panda. Hopefully they can tell it's a pregnant panda.
Oh, yeah, that's cute. The bandana is great. That's a great touch.
Yeah.
Wow. Did you ask it for the bandana?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Well done.
Yeah.
That's cute. 50s style, right? With the thing in the front.
I noticed that, like, we see that for the moms, right? Whenever we do the mom t-shirts, they have the, bandana thing.
That's funny. That's so cute. Wow. So yeah, you got a few designs here. You got a dinosaur.
Yeah, that was a cheap, that's a straight up template. I didn't change anything but the words. But yeah, then I changed some of these on here.
My favorite is your panda for the imagery, I think.
Oh, thanks.
I really like the idea of your pizza slice at the dinner with mom.
Yeah.
But yeah, the pregnant panda looks so cute.
I love that you got the frog to put it actually looks pregnant with the hand on the belly and everything.
Yeah, so all I did down here was, for those of you, Juna probably can't see this part of my screen, but it says, my prompt is a cute pregnant cartoon frog that is eating pizza. And
there you go.
GPT 1.5 HD.
Oh, so, nice. And the fonts just match with the...
Yeah, and this font style is chewy, and it just looks fun and cute, right? Yeah. And then, of course, we twisted everything. So if you edit transform, you can see the lines. I bent things around, and it's fun to manipulate. I love manipulating text. It just sets your design apart in such a unique way.
Absolutely.
But that said, thank you very much, Holly, for submitting your designs here. So we've got, I'll just zoom in on this. So Juna's got a couple on here for you. So eating pizza for two with the baby and mom at the dinner table here, and a different version on dark. And then my favorite is this cute panda here. It just makes sense with that bandana. Is such a nice touch. And
I added a few words too. Yeah, I put and loving it.
And even this dinosaur is cute. I think I might, if I was doing something like this, I'd maybe try to put the bandana on it again, make it a little more feminine. Pregnant even. Yeah, but your panda looks good. And then the option from me is this cute pregnant frog. Frogs seem to be everywhere right now, so
good call.
Eating pizza for two, just fun.
I do love the pregnant pizza mom down there, and the pizza mom. I think, although it's not the same words, I think that's pretty cool.
This was the first one. I didn't want to get rid of it because I think pizza mom could definitely still work, right?
Yeah, I think so too. It's a nice. Just the colors and everything. Just that could be a great sticker too.
For sure. And it's already got the black outline and it's vector. So, it's nice that way. That's the other thing too, is when you use it. So the prompt details. So it was ChatGPT 1.5 HD playful mascot badge, but I didn't vectorize this. It just gave me the vector.
Wow.
With, ChatGPT with this playful mascot badge. So that was in these styles down there. And it's so nice because it's already vector. So it comes out looking awesome, right?
It does look awesome.
So you've got 1, 2 from me for sure. And this main one here, I think, is the killer of the three. But these could definitely be worth testing. Thank you so much, Holly, for submitting your designs, having the guts to do this. It's people like you guys that submit are the reason why we can allow us to leverage your designs and level them up. So thank you again, Juna, for doing this. Again, if you want to get this done on a more regular basis, feel free to take a peek inside my membership. I'll leave a link in the description as well. Juna joins me in there every other week. The rest of 2026, we are going to be leveling up people's designs. And we actually do this kind of thing. But like the last session we did, I think we got through 4 different people, right?
Yeah.
And each one got at least 2 or 3 designs. Right?
Yeah. So if you're in a group, the chances of you getting one of these are pretty high. You may get 2 or 3 of these throughout the year, right?
So. For sure. And that's the fastest way we can deliver value is just level up your designs to something where Juna and I, who are both professional long-term graphic designers, we've sold hundreds of thousands of t-shirts, right? The fastest way we can give you that value is to give you what we think we would sell if it was going in our own shops. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you again, Juna, and we will see you in the next one.
See ya.